So this man installed a pinhole camera disguised as a hook in a male toilet to film man urinating. 棒酒 This man, Sean Li Yang, bought the spy camera from Lazada. Lazada so good. Can buy spy camera, $20 can get liao. No need get from back market already ma. Let Lao Bing see got X-ray glasses or not. KNN, chip my feeling. The X-ray glasses cannot use for see-through one ma. So Sean Lee want to act like James Bond, plan to use it covertly. Film man 棒酒 see your 小鸡鸡 little chick, as he had a fetish for such videos.
Better get your shot. Steady boom BP.
So where he go to? This Anytime Fitness Gym at Hillview Rise, V2 Mall, up to 3 times a week. And while changing, he would plant the device under the hand dryer, pointing camera at the urinals. Luckily, no soap drop incident happened. Otherwise, 有人要落下男儿泪。After Sean Lee worked out, he would retrieve the camera and enjoy the video at home, keeping those that captured the 小鸡鸡. Then he viewed the videos for his pleasure. August 10, a cleaner discovered the hook. This cleaner 极辣小 well done, 最佳员工奖. So while exercising, Sean Lee noticed a staff member holding his hook and placing it in the staff office. 来了 James Bond 来了. So Sean waited in the gym for 4 hours for the coast to clear, sneak into the office, take the device and left the gym. Come gong, he don't know got CCTV man, still wanna act covertly. Anyway, he got caught on camera, subsequently caught by police and now is waiting for a sentence. Moral of the story, pick a gym with lazy cleaner lah.